today is 24 September 2021, one day before my birthday. So, what a weird situations has happened today. You can look at the chart right here. So this is the day chart, and today it was about 33.56, which is almost reaching this resistance right here, the Fibonacci resistance right here, which is the 0.618 point. Well, what do you see? I see this one, head and shoulder hump, and I'm not so sure if it's the right time to actually buy in the D, because in my opinions, you can look at the volume is actually going lower, as well as the RSI. See, it's going lower. This is the classic divergence. This part is the lowest. The price range is very low, but it has the highest divergence. It has the highest buying volume right there. And you can see recent days. Wow, this might be a big ass move. Okay, that is so dangerous, because as we can see, this is the day chart, and obviously this is not a good site, because if it's a good site, it's supposedly to, wow, it's actually going down, man. This is very obvious. Would it be same as this one? Oh my god, this is same. Okay, this is not a very good, wow, it's the same. Okay. Oh my god, okay. So we should, I was thinking to do buy in the deep. It's kind of scared at this point, because looking at the RSI, it's not so good, huh? And this is the 20. Try to speak faster right there. Okay, let's see, huh? So obviously it's still okay. It's trying to reach above the, am I doing this right? The trend line, I mean the EMA today, but unfortunately, it does not withstand the high. Okay, but it's higher low though. So if it's really gonna drop drastically like this one, it's higher high, it's higher low. Actually, this is not higher low. It's breaking out. So if this is breaking out, it's a confirmation for us to actually looking at what's happening right there. Okay, so this one you can see it's breaking out. So this one is the same as this one, and it happens at a very early stage. So most probably this, it's going to break out regardlessly, because if you will see here, we have head and shoulder. If this does not survive, or maybe it does not go back to what it is, which is around 32 or 33, that's it, the end of the bull market, right? A lot of people, they take off their, why they don't do short though? Because if I would do short. This one as well, if you look at it, the, okay, this is a little bit confusing, right? Just give me this one. Okay, so today it reaches the highest. Okay, let me just put the Fibonacci. So I have three most important components that I using recently, which is the Fibonacci. So we don't use this one, which is very strange, because I would use this one, which shows that this is 0.382. If we would to switch this one to this one, we can see that clearly it's reaching at these 0.5. Am I doing this right? Let me see, give me a second. Yeah, it's supposed to be this one. Okay, so we're reaching at this Fibonacci resistance right here. You can see that it bows right. Oh wait, what the hell? When it reaches here, people they just selling off. They put their bet the bet right here. I was expecting to see this price or this price. I think not so sure that not so sure if this is correct. Give me a second. I think it should pull down from the top to the bottom, right? Give me a second. Okay, which about here? Same. Okay, no, never mind. Let's look at the BTC. BTC same as well. I think it's this one. Yep. So yep, you can look at BTC. Even BTC has the higher strength compared to ETH, right? It at least reaches the target place, which is 0.1618, and from here to here it's about 14%. What about ETH? From here to here it's about 19%. Always. So yeah, clearly we can see that. Okay, this one is actually pretty close. It's actually reaching here, but you can see that it got rejected by the EMA as well as the Fibonacci. I did not expect this one, to be honest. I was thinking that the possibility got rejected right here, but it ended up going. Okay, sorry for my Fibonacci. I wasn't doing this great. Supposed to be here. So yeah, reaching this spot right there. Today it reaches, yeah, ngam ho. So today is like 100 something. So yeah, people are putting their sell order right there, and ETH as well. Okay, so there are a few things that I would like to mention right here. Let's just look at the ETH, right? So the volume of selling off is higher than the previous one, as well as the MSCD. The MSCD, it's going, okay, don't see, look at the 4 hours. So okay, it's pretty normal. Okay. I don't know how to, learn this one. Anyways, I don't think I understand this one. Just look at RSI. I don't know how to read this one. Apparently, I think I diagnosed this wrongly. Okay, look at this one. Okay, this one it's much more clearer on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that right here we are apparently going up, right? But our MACD is going down, which means the buying momentum is not coming in. The bull is not coming in. So that's the reason why it has lower buy order and higher sell order instead. So that's why the bear market is still taking control. But if you were to look at the 15 time frames, it is trying to go back and it's forming a classic W, most probably to what I can see right there. It's gonna go up a bit before a huge dump again. It's very common, so that people thought, oh, this is where we should buy in. But here's the thing, look at the day time frame. That okay, there are a few things. First of all, Fibonacci got rejected. Okay, it does not surpass the Fibonacci, so it does not break through the Fibonacci and got rejected right here. Next is looking at the EMA, it got rejected by the EMA as well. Next is, okay, looking at this MACD, you can see that it is going very similar to this one, that it has finished the bull right here. Yeah, it was right here, and it's going down. Once it goes down, it probably just gonna be like this one. It's probably gonna spend days being down there. Okay, yeah, and it's just the beginning of the bear market. Yeah, I don't know if this hypothesis is a great idea, because a lot of times I think this can be similar to this one, but that's why it has to be huge dump, and you can see the selling force is coming in. Okay, this is, you can see that sometimes it's a fade breakout, so we really need to identify this one. It's just the indications, it cannot be like 100% indications as well. So yeah, I just mentioned 2 points, Fibonacci as well as the EMA. Thirdly is the MACD here. So you can see the MACD right here. Sorry for asking you, and you shouldn't be here. Bible. So you can see that it's going up for price, but MACD is going down, meaning that the volume is decreasing. That's the reason it dropped. Okay, and it's trying to come back. I think it would come back just a little bit, but it wouldn't be a strong comeback because people are waiting right here. So most probably it's just gonna break lower than this one, which is around 2651. This was yeah,